Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and you're getting an F06 error and you're trying to figure out what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So basically the F06 error is when the buttons on the dryer are stuck. So what you want to do to get rid of this error, there's really two steps to this process. The first one is the easy fix, which is you just want to go and kind of wiggle all the buttons, because one of them might be stuck down, and so, sometimes some gunk can get in them and make them stick in the push down position when they're not. So you just want to wiggle all the buttons and try to free them all. You might even find one that has been stuck, and that should fix your error. If that doesn't fix it, or if the error persists after you've wiggled all the buttons, then there might be actually something broken or wrong inside the control panel, and you're just going to need, at that point, you're just going to need to replace the control panel. And then obviously if you replace the control panel, you'll be able to get rid of this error. Thanks a lot for watching.